Ever tried plugging in your phone and nothing happens? Let's troubleshoot your Mazda CX-5's USB port. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in accessory mode or turned on. Some ports won't work unless the engine is running. Next, inspect your USB cable. Try a different cable or device just to rule out a simple cable issue. If it works elsewhere but not in your car, the problem is likely with the CX-5. Now look inside the USB port. Is there any dirt or debris? Gently clean it out with a toothpick or compressed air. Still not working? Check your owner's manual for the port's location. Some Mazdas have more than one, and not all are for data or charging. If you're trying to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, make sure your phone and car both support it, and that you're using an original cable. Aftermarket cables can cause problems. Finally, if none of this works, try restarting your car's infotainment system. Sometimes a quick reset fixes weird glitches. If your USB port still isn't working, it could be a blown fuse or a larger electrical issue. In that case, visit your local Mazda service center for expert help. Now you know what to check when your Mazda CX-5 USB port isn't working.